What's good, everybody? It's your boy Everton, and today we're talking about this right here. This is the EIOTCLUB SIM card kit and a key fob combo. I've actually been using it for the last few days, and it's actually been pretty cool. But I want to talk to you guys about my experience about it. So let's go ahead and talk about it. So I do feel like I finally found a flexible data-only option for my tablet and my security camera and other Internet of Things devices that I do own. We're going to be talking about this, and FYI, I just want to tell you guys what this is. So EIOTCLUB, it's actually a data-only option. So first off, they do offer high-speed 5G internet access on a global network that covers up to 77 countries to start, but you can actually upgrade to access to 200 countries and over. Now, there's no contract or no hidden fees, and there's also no roaming fee, and you can actually refill any point in time that you need to, so based on your data needs and things like that. And lastly, they do have customer service that's actually 24/7. Now, this kit actually comes with a triple kit SIM card, so you can fit into your device's specific needs, all the way down to a nano SIM card, but they do have eSIM options as well. Now, the plan works on the major carriers, so you do have the ability to go from T-Mobile, Verizon, AT&T, and once you pop the SIM card in or you have the eSIM set up, it'll automatically connect to what they determine is the best performing network in that area. So that's pretty dope in my opinion. It's just plug and play. If you're not really that technically savvy and you don't want to have any options to select anything, just want it to work, then it's all good. Also, personally, I've been using it with my security cameras for live monitoring because the latency is super low, so you can actually have live monitoring. And that brings me to my next point, the speeds. So I tested this on a couple of times in a couple of devices, and inside my home, which there's obstruction and things like that, the tests that I've actually been getting do support 4K data streaming as well. A lot of people do use this for trail monitors and things like that in areas where there isn't Wi-Fi or internet may be a little bit challenging. You do have also a mobile app that allows you to manage your account, so you can actually purchase data, track the data usage, and manage multiple SIM cards. Under one account, I believe they let you manage up to 8 SIM cards, right? So you can share that data as well. So EIOTCLUB often allows users to create shared data plans. So you can have multiple SIM cards, but one pool of data, and then you can actually share that data amongst multiple devices. One thing I really love about this fob kit is that you can really control your eSIM profiles just by installing the eSIM into the fob and then plugging it into a USB-A, and then you can scan the QR code and it allows you to get the installation package, and you can manage the eSIM profiles by applying masks. If you want to download additional eSIM profiles, you can do that through the app and also remove any eSIM profiles as well. And you can visit their website for EIOTCLUB to purchase eSIM profiles directly. I definitely want to manage multiple devices without actually having to pay for separate plans. That's actually pretty dope. So your data is really awesome. Now you can actually manage your account online, and once you purchase a data SIM card and a plan that actually suits your needs, you can actually manage all of that through the apps. Well, to be honest with you, I'm really feeling the flexibility and plans that they offer. I'm just going to give a quick story about something that happened. So I'm actually I live in San Antonio, Texas in the United States, but I'm actually from a country, and you know what? I migrated here, but we still have property in our other country, and agriculture and livestock is still a big part of our economy and our income over there. And we have goats and things like that. But theft is a big issue right there. We recently had goats stolen. Now we do have a neighbor that keeps an eye on the property and things like that. But the fact is that we don't have live monitoring, and these things happen at night. We had a availability to monitor it with like a 4G or 5G camera, and we could have gotten that notification. So it is something that I think is definitely a good option to have, not only for the immediate access, but I do see the benefit of having the international option as well. One thing, if I had a critique about it, is that you're a little bit more technically savvy. So sometimes I feel like I know best and I want whichever, but have a really good system that chooses it for you. So you just have to be okay with that. But outside of that, I think it's a really good option, super flexible. I mean, you can upgrade to a lot of data, or you can just have a smaller amount of data that you only need for a certain amount of time. I will leave a link to EIOTCLUB in the description of this video. If you definitely want to click on that, you go ahead and check it out.